This video is tutorial of HU162T-10 cards. How to use Lishi to pick and decode this door lock. We have to be familiar to this Lishi at first. 3 angles, 30, 60, 90. Another side, 30, 60, 90. The first step is to get angles. Touch the pinch bar. That's feeble. Try to touch the other side. It's elastic. The feeble position is what we need. The first angle is 90. We use the same way to look for the second angle. The feeble position is what we need. The angle is 60. Go on looking for the second feeble position. This time, the feeble position is up. The angle is 90. It's time for the last one. 60. The first step is finished. And the next step is to pick the lock and decode. Looking for the wafer's positions at first. Try to touch. It has wafer position if it's elastic. Elastic, elastic, not elastic. The 5th, 8th, 9th, they are wafer positions. Another side, the 6th, 7th, 10th, they are also wafer positions. The tension bar direction depending on the arrow. And then pick the lock. Touch the 5th, it's elastic. The 8th is spongy. 9th, spongy. It's blocked on 6th position. The 7th is spongy. It's also spongy. Try to touch again one by one. All wafers are spongy. Let's look for the block position by pinch bar. It's blocked. Click. Next one. Blocked. Click. Try again to touch the wafers by lifter. Click on the blocked position. Spongy. Spongy. It's blocked. Click. Another one. Another one. Click on the blocked wafer. Try again to touch. Hold your horse. Click on the blocked position. Spongy. Go on looking for the blocked position. It's blocked. Click. Try to touch the 5th again. Click if it's blocked. Spongy. Spongy. Try another one. Click. Spongy. Spongy. Go on looking for the blocked one. It's blocked. Click. It's blocked. Click. Turn the lock on successfully. It's time to decode and get the key beating. The 5th is 1. The 8th is 2. The 9th is 3. The 6th is 4. The 7th is 4. The 10th is 3. The last step is to get the angle after picking lock. Here is opposite from before picking lock. Touch it. Feeble position is done. We need elastic position now. The first angle is 30. The second, elastic position is up. The second angle is 60. The third, elastic position is down. The third angle is 30. The fourth angle is 60. Lishi operation is finished. And then how to get a new key. How to cut this key by 2M2Tank key cutting machine. Turn on the application and connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click 2-in-1 decoder. Search HU162. The first HU162 is 10 cuts. We put Lishi information into this. At first, input angle 90, 60, 90, 60, and then 30, 60, 30, 60. We can see the key binding of ignition lock is already. And then input the door lock information of Lishi decoding. Click Convert. Finally, cut keys. Install the key blank depending on the picture. If it's ready, click Continue. Key binding is automatically appeared. Click Cut. This key needs the cutter 1.5. Click OK. Finish cutting both sides. And then click B. Click OK. In the same way, install the key blank depending on guiding picture. Pay attention, the groove is up. Click Continue and click Cut. One lateral side is okay. It's time for another lateral side. Click C. Click OK. Install the key depending on the guide picture. Click Continue. Key binding is ready. Click Cut. Continue. Key cutting is finished, and try to turn the lock. Turn the lock on successfully. Perfect cutting.